Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. Guys, singer Kelly Khumalo once again receives backlash and judgment for a video of herself performing a gospel song wearing a very tight and short dress, which is very revealing. You guys know the song that she was singing was talking about praising God, and her attire was the topic behind the posted video, with, of course, people saying that she is mocking God, of course, by wearing such a dress when praising God. However, she was at Groove, and the video that Kelly Khumalo posted was captioned. She captioned this video on TikTok as Umnandi. Imnandi inkonzo yase Groove, meaning a church at Groove is very nice. Now, people were saying that she is mocking God by wearing such a very short dress. You guys now, Pindi Ngobo hopped into the comments and stitched Kelly Khumalo's video, saying that she should stick to the music that doesn't have a spiritual message, a godly message rather, but music that actually just excites people. Music that excites people, that's all, because that's all that Kelly Khumalo is good at, and she should leave gospel music because she is disrespecting God by her dressing up in skimpy dresses. You guys, so up next I'm just gonna go ahead and post that video of Sis Ngobo dragging Kelly Khumalo, but before I do that, do make sure that you do engage with me in the comment section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
Umculo wakho ukuhlulila ukwazi wena ukucula into enemessage vele uyozama ngapha kulo ngadinge message uyabona lo kujabulisa abantu
kodwa I think kubalekile ukuthi mangabe khona ungathi sekuyalahleka sibonisane
ovele nje uphinda into ewathi uthi ngaphuma ngangena we ngaphuma bamemeza abantu kuthiwa we ngaphuma ngangena we
zesigodlo, imfihlo zedlozi, imfihlo zesithunywa, imfihlo zamathongo, imfihlo zamakhosi, izinto
aya kuyozama ngakhona ngapha uyahluleka awukwazi ukucula into enemessage wena yasezulwini.